GeopByte.
Now let us see third question. In this we have first bit as for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? We will see minus 1 into a, that is it becomes minus a, right? If we multiply our integer with minus 1, we will get additive inverse of the given integer, right? Now let us see this type with some more questions. Now let us see second bit in the third question. We have determined the integer whose product with minus 1 is, right? Now they have given 3 questions below. Let us solve one by one. The first one is they have given minus 22. We need to multiply minus 1 to it, right? This is what they given, that we need to multiply minus 1 to each and every number, right? Now minus 22 into minus 1. If you see, it is minus into minus is equal to plus, right? Similarly, minus into minus plus 22 ones are 22. As I also said that even number of minus signs are there means we get positive integer as answer, right? Now let us see this one. 37 into minus 1, right? Here we have only one minus sign, that is odd number of minus sign. 37 ones are 37. The minus sign remains same, that is 37 into minus 1 is minus 37, right? Now if we see 0 into minus 1, as you know, anything multiplied to 0 is 0 itself, right? 0. Now if you see these two questions, the number which we multiply to minus 1, any number, right, which we multiply with minus 1, it becomes additive inverse of that number. That is, here we have in the question minus 22, but the final answer is 22. Means additive inverse of this number is this number, right? Additive inverse of minus 22 is 22. Similarly, in this case, we have 37. Additive inverse of 37 is minus 37. As we multiplied minus 1 to 37, we got additive inverse of this number. Now, let us see fourth question. Starting from minus 1 into 5, write various products showing some pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. Means they have given minus 1 into 5. They asked to write, that is, they asked to complete the pattern from minus 1 into 5 until we get minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. See, here we have positive integer, here we have negative integer. That means we have to follow number line. In number line, we will be having 0 in between. Here the positive numbers and negative numbers, right? If we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, we will be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So, we want to get from positive integer to negative integer, means we need to go in this way. That is, we need to go reverse to come to the negative integers, right? Now, let us continue the pattern starting from minus 1 into 5. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. 5 ones are 5. Minus sign remains same. Next, minus 1 into 4, as we are going reverse. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4. Right? Now minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Right? We have completed the positive integers. After completing positive integers, we have 0 in between, that is minus 1 into 0 is equal to, obviously it is 0, right? Now let us see the negative integers which start from minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 is 1, right? We have completed the pattern starting from minus 1 into 5 until minus 1 into minus 1 equal to 1 we have got here, right? Here we can say that when any two negative integers are multiplied, we will get a positive integer. If a positive integer and negative integer are multiplied, we get a negative integer. Now let us see fifth question. We have find the product using suitable properties, right? The given first bit is 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Now let us find using suitable property. This question is in the form of distributive property, that is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Right? If we compare, A will be minus 48, B is 26, C is minus 36. The given question is in the form of the right hand side, right? Now let us prove by doing the left hand side, that is A into B plus C. A is minus 48 into B plus C. B is 26 plus C we have minus 36. Right? Now write 48 as it is into 26 plus into minus 36, write as it is. Now for minus 48 into 26 minus 36 is minus 10. Minus into minus plus 48 tens are 480. Now let us see B bit in the same question, that is we have 8 into 53 into minus 125. Here we need to use a property to solve this question, right? Here we will use the property, that is commutative property of multiplication. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C, right? This property means we can multiply the first two numbers and next the third number. Here we can multiply the next two numbers first and then with the first number. Similarly, here also we can write, first let us write the given question, that is 8 into 53 into minus 125. Right? Now here if you see, let us write minus 125 into 8. That is, if we use this property for the simple calculation, we can write 53 here and we can bring this minus 8 into the bracket. First, let us multiply these two numbers. That is, we will get 125 8s are how much? Let us multiply. 8 5s are 40. 8 2s are 16 plus 4 20. 8 ones are 8, 10. We got 1000, right? 125 8s are 1000. If you see here, we have a negative sign, that is minus 1000. Now, we can easily multiply 53 and minus 1000, right? 53 into 1, 53. We have 3 zeros beside, that is 53,000. The sign remains minus. So, we got minus 53,000. Now, let us see Cbit. We have 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. If you see here, we need to use a property to solve this simpler. We can use commutative law, that is A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Same as we solved the previous problem with using the same property. Similarly, let us solve this too. See, 15 into, first let us multiply these two numbers, right? Minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10, right? If you see, 15 into minus plus 25 fours are 100. So, 100 plus 100, that is minus into minus becomes plus, and the remaining number is minus 10. Right? Now, if you see, 15 into 100 tens are 1000, that is 1000. We have minus sign. 100 into minus 10 is minus 1000. Done? Now, 15 into 1000 is 15,000. As we have the minus sign, it becomes minus 15,000. Now, let us see bit D in the same question. We have minus 41 into 102. Which property suits this question? Let us take distributive property, that is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Right? Let us use this property to solve this question simpler. Right? Let us write minus 41 as it is into, let us write this 102 as 100 plus 2. Right? Now it is in the form of A into B plus C. Like this one, A into B plus C, A into B plus C. Now, A is equal to minus 41, B is equal to 100, C is equal to 2. Now, what is the rule? We have to multiply A with B and A with C like this. A into B plus A into C. Now, similarly, we will multiply 41 with 100 and this 41 with 2, that is minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41 into 2. Right? A into B plus C, A into B plus A into C. We have written in that format. Now, let us multiply. We have 41 into 100. 41 into 100 is 4100. The sign remains minus. Right? Plus 41 twos are 8. 2 ones are 2. 4 twos are 8. 82. 41 twos are 82. Minus 82. Right? Minus 4100 plus into minus. Minus 82. Now, minus into minus plus 4100 plus 82 is 4182. The sign remains minus as we have two minus signs. Now, let us see bit E. Here we have 625 into minus 35 plus of minus 625 into 65. As you can see, 625 number is repeated again. If a number is repeated, we can use distributive property, that is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus B into C. Right? If you see, we can consider this 625 as A, but here we have minus sign. Let us write 625 into minus 35 plus this minus sign, we will give it to the number 65. As these two numbers are in product, the sign can be changed to any number. This also gives the same meaning of this, right? Now, let us write in this form, that is 625 into, as we considered A as 625, B as minus 35 and C as minus 65. Right? Now, A into B plus C. A into, that is 625 into B plus C, minus 35 plus of minus 65. Right? We have written in this format. Now, let us solve it. 625 into minus 35 will be as it is, plus into minus 65. Right? Now, write the 625 as it is, minus into minus, plus 35 plus 65 is 100. The sign remains minus, that is minus 100. As we have 625 into minus 100, that is 62,500. The sign remains minus. Now, let us see F bit. Here we have 7 into 50 minus 2. If you see it clearly, it is in the form of distributive property. That is, in the case of subtraction. A into B minus C. In the case of addition, we will write plus in place of minus. But in case of subtraction, we have written minus, that is A into B minus A into C. Here we have A as 7, B as 50 and C as 2. Now let us write it in this form as it is in this form. Right? Now A into B, that is 7 into 50, in between minus A into C, that is 7 into 2. Now we have 7 into 50. 7 5s are 35. A 0 is there, that becomes 350 and minus 7 2s are 14. Let us write. Now 350 minus 14 is 336. Now let us see bit G. Here we have minus 17 into minus 29. This also can be written in the distributive property. That is, first let us write the property. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. If you see this, we can write minus 17 into minus 29 can be written as minus 30 plus 1. Right? See, if we do minus into plus minus 30 minus 1, 29, we have minus for the greater number, minus 29. We got it. So, we can write in this form, it becomes A into B plus C, that is in this form. Now, we will represent in this form. A is equal to minus 17, B is equal to minus 30, C is equal to 1. Now, let us represent it in this form. See, A into B, that is minus 17 into minus 30, plus A into C, that is minus 17 into 1. Right, we have represented in this form. Now, let us multiply these two numbers. 17 into 30. First, minus into minus becomes plus. 17 into 30 is 510. Right? Plus 17 ones are 17. Minus is there, so minus 17. Right? Now, 510 plus into minus minus 17. 510 minus 17 is 493. Now, let us solve the last bit in this question, that is H. We have minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. This also looks similar property, that is distributive property. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Right? If you see here, we have 57 repeating 2 times. Now, we have A as 57, B as 19. Then what is C? We don't have C. We can write this question like this. That is minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57 into 1. Right? 57 and 57 into 1 both are same, as 57 ones are 57. Right? Now, A is 57, B is 19, C is 1. Means this is in the format of this. A into B plus A into C. Right? Now, let us get into this format, that is A into B plus C. We have A as 57. Write 57. Inside, we will have B plus C. That is, what is B? 19 plus C is 1. If you see, minus into minus became plus. That's why I have written only 19 and 57 came common. The remaining number is plus 1. It came in the format A into B plus C, similar to this. Now, 57 into 19 plus 1, 20. 57 into 20. How much? Let us do it. 57 twos are 7 twos are 14. 5 twos are 10, 11. 114. We have 0. That is 1140.
GeopByte.